Okay, so I just finished but so spiders are my favorite insect because unlike bees, they don't tend to be close to us even though we don't want to be close and they have the freedom to fly so they can also sting us anytime they want. They're like assholes that we like because they make honey. Also ants bites us and flies are disgusting, that's why I don't like them. Beetles has a good bad relationship. But this is my favorite insect of all. Where is he? Okay, that's him. This is spider. Spider is one of the most friendliest insect in the world. Why? Because when I take a bath, it's not every time that it's the same hour. So when sometimes I take a bath and this guy shows up, really makes you in perspective.